Hello, maayong aga, maayong hapon, maayong gabi sa inyong tanan, mga pinalangga ko nga kauturan sa Iloilo. We are living in an unprecedented period in the history of our country. Our existence on this planet is being seriously threatened by an unseen enemy, a terrible virus. We all need to protect ourselves, our families, our countrymen. We urge everyone, I personally urge you to take this virus seriously for our own sake and for those we love. Thank God, the vaccine for our protection against this unseen enemy, against this virus. For our own health and that of our loved ones, please have yourselves vaccinated. Do it for the people you love. Do it for yourself. Do it for your loved ones. I urge you, may pinalangga nga kasimanwa, mga kauturan, do it for Iloilo. Do it for the people you love. Kabay pa nga magrasyahan kita sa mahal nga Diyos with continued good health, not only for ourselves but for our neighbors.